Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Design Curious. Today I'm going to share another amazing app in Canva which is Image Blender. There are two apps, but I have personally used Image Blender and I also like this app as compared to the other one. You can simply upload your images or you can add any image from the Canva photo library, and then after adding two images on your canvas, like I have used the Facebook cover post design, you need to select any one image so that it this app can work. So after selecting the image, you can increase or decrease the merging effect from towards any direction, and you can also make any of your image prominent. Like if you want to, like I have used the lake and mountain image for this design. If I want to make lake more prominent, then I will add the exposure effect of mountains more. But if I have to show the lake side more, then I will uh, slightly hide with this exposure effect, with this blending effect more for the lake. And I can also use the effect strength so that it will exactly blend with my image. So you can see the after results of this app, which is simply amazing. You cannot identify or can say these are two different images. These look exactly same. So with the help of this app, you can also create any kind of double exposure effect. You can add any image into other image with this blending effect. Even also after applying your exposure or blending effect with this app, you can play around and match your images uh, with the more perfection. So there is another way. Like let's pick two different images from the Canva photo library, any of two images, then we will start blending them both together with this app. So I have selected one image with the girl standing in some snowy area in one direction, and now I have selected another image. Look, it looks like a restaurant. So I will merge these two images so that it will give an impression that the girl is uh, coming from the restaurant towards this snowy area. So by using this line, I'm trying to increase the merging effect from this restaurant other to the other image, so that it will exactly blend. I will increase the strength or decrease it where it will exactly match with my image. So these are just the examples of using this app, Image Blender. You can use in any way you want and show me your designs or your experiences of using this app in comment section. So now you can see I have personally liked this effect, and this app